ocean temperatures are rising. And the consequences are not only affecting marine life, but us too. Experts warn that marine heatwaves are driving more extreme weather events across the globe.
Plus la température de l'océan et de la mer est élevée, plus on va venir alimenter tous ces phénomènes météo qui font des conséquences importantes.
There is a coincidence between marine heatwaves and droughts and wildfire events.
So, what does a warmer ocean mean for life on land?
Hay máxima alerta en el estado de Florida por la inminente llegada del huracán Milton.
Un ouragan à nouveau de classe 5, le plus haut niveau.
Already pounding Mexico beaches.
It could be one of the most destructive storms ever to hit the Gulf Coast of Florida.
October 7th, 2024. The world watched in awe as Hurricane Milton went from a tropical storm to a Category 5 monster in about a day. Milton finally made landfall as a Category 3 storm, but it became the third most rapidly intensifying Atlantic storm on record. Scientists say one key factor is pushing storms to new extremes: ocean heat. The Gulf of Mexico had recorded dangerously high temperatures in previous months. Hurricanes like these are common in North America, but that doesn't mean that they can't happen in Europe.
Il y a certains de ces cyclones tropicaux qui peuvent bifurquer en remontant vers les moyennes latitudes. Ils vont prendre une trajectoire vers l'est cette fois, donc vers nos régions européennes, mais de manière où ils sont bien affaiblis. Et donc là, ils deviennent quelque chose qui s'appelle une tempête.
It can lead to scenes like this. That was Hurricane Kirk passing through Western Europe at the beginning of October. And then there are so-called medicanes. That's a hurricane forming over the Mediterranean Sea. They happen 1 to 3 times per year at most, and often don't touch land. But when they do, they can bring a lot of destruction with them. That's what happened with Storm Daniel when it reached Libya in October 2023. It led to massive floods, caused dams to break, and killed at least 4,300 people. While climate experts don't yet know if medicanes will happen more often in the future, they do know that the Mediterranean Sea is the most affected by marine heatwaves in Europe.
The Mediterranean is a climate change hotspot and a place that is very influenced by high temperatures over the sea when compared to other regions of the world.
And this could increase the intensity of storms.
La température des océans augmente, et de la mer Méditerranée en particulier. Cet ingrédient-là, il est propice à en faire des éléments plus intenses à l'avenir, avec plus de précipitations notamment, pouvant affecter les zones méditerranéennes.
But how exactly do rising ocean temperatures lead to extreme weather events? In certain atmospheric conditions, when the ocean heats up, water evaporates. Moisture is absorbed by the air. If this water vapor meets cold air at higher altitudes, it condensates and eventually forms clouds. Clouds can then release their moisture over land in the form of water drops. The result, heavy rainfall and, in the worst case, floods. This exchange of heat and moisture between the ocean and the atmosphere can also fuel storms. They absorb the warm, water-filled air and become bigger. And the warmer the ocean, the faster the storm can grow. Global warming may also lead to more so-called compound events, where several weather events occur at the same time. Marine heatwaves and land heatwaves often happen together, and high temperatures on land can trigger droughts, which in turn can contribute to wildfires. Some studies say we might experience more of these simultaneous events.
Marine heatwaves, in our specific case, we proved that they were statistically related to the occurrence of atmospheric heat waves. We also were able to understand that there is a coincidence also between marine heat waves and droughts and wildfire events. They'll probably happen more frequently in a compound way because that's what we've been seeing throughout the last decades.
As marine heat waves are said to become more frequent, mitigating global warming is crucial. But the reality is that we must prepare for a future of more intense storms, floods and droughts. The question isn't whether these natural disasters will stop, It's how we learn to live with them.